Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer health plan enrollment through Betterment for benefits, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the health plan enrollment transfer through Betterment, navigate to the Betterment website or open the Betterment app on your device. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, locate the menu or dashboard, typically found in the top left corner. From the menu, select Benefits or Health Plans to access your enrollment options. Next, look for the option to transfer health plan enrollment. Click on Transfer Enrollment to initiate the process. You may be prompted to select the specific health plan you wish to transfer. Carefully review the details of your current enrollment to ensure accuracy. After confirming your selection, proceed to the next step. You will need to enter the information regarding your new health plan. This may include details such as the plan name, provider information, and policy number. Double-check all entered information for any errors. Once everything is correct, click on Submit to initiate the transfer request. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that your request has been sent for processing. You will receive an email notification once your transfer is completed. Keep track of the status of your enrollment transfer through the benefits dashboard. If any issues arise, contact Betterment's customer support for assistance. Follow any additional instructions provided by the support team if necessary. Ensure you have all relevant documents ready for verification if requested. Monitor your email for updates related to your health plan status. Congratulations, you have successfully initiated your health plan enrollment transfer through Betterment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.